Well, welcome back to Bear Ridge. We got a product here I want to talk about that a lot of people don't necessarily know about or use, and it's a grease gun for your sprocket. It's by Oregon, and kind of a cheap product. Should have it in your chainsaw toolbox. Let's give it a shot and see how it works. The first thing that we want to do is we want to clean out these little grease holes. They'll get debris in them, and it'd be better just to keep that debris out of where we're trying to lube. See, there's one right there, and this Pro Yama bar has one right there. And so what we're going to want to do is we're going to take and put that in that hole and give it a couple pumps. And we got some coming out over here, and then we want to rotate that. And then we'll give it a couple more. It'll push that old grease out. And then we're going to rotate it and do it one more time. And we'll clean that up. You want to be sure to rotate that sprocket and push that old grease out. This is a new bar, so it's not going to have any old grease in it, but it will give it a... See, we've got it coming out right there. Now we're going to rotate this. Sprocket and give it some more. Rotate it again. You can see it pulling that grease out. See, now we have grease on all sides of that. Now we have a well-greased sprocket on your bar. All right, catch you next time.